All right, good morning, everybody. It is Monday, start of a brand new trading week here. We've got some earnings coming up this week, and we got some big crypto news coming over the weekend of Amazon possibly going to be accepting Bitcoin coming up in the future. So my Riot position is up 14% so far this morning, at least to start. So hopefully that's going to keep going and keep pushing me to the moon. It is the week of me being extremely tired while trading, but I'm still going to be live on Twitch. So make sure you check the link down in the description below. Go give me a follow. Let's trade. Go! Kind of watching these Tesla calls here. Market's taking off. Tesla's chart's not looking as good though. All right, I'm gonna get in here. Got in at 21. Don't want to see it break 649. If it breaks 649, I'll be looking to get out. Oh, whoops. You spiked there on me. Market's still moving up though. I'm gonna hold on to this for a minute. Market's still moving in my direction. Put that out at 2150 if it gets up there quickly. All right, see if we can get a fill here at 2150. Okay, all out there. So actually helped me out there that I missed that quick flush, but actually was looking for much more here, and I think it might continue now that the Qs are really starting to take off. But hey, it's a green trade to start the week at least. All right, I'm gonna jump back in here in another Tesla call at 1990. Look to add in at 19 if it gets below that. Otherwise, 20.8 on the sell. See if that can get back up there. Qs is doing the right direction. Hopefully that's going to pull Tesla back up with it. Tesla double top. A little bit. And the market may be turning over. Small move down in the market. I don't think I'm going to take that, but it is interesting. Actually, market's spiking down now. I'm actually going to get in here. I like your call. I'm in at 21.45 on a put. All right, going to add in there. Now average at 21. Got that at 2060. Yeah, Q's still going up again here, so not going to be helping. Tesla just frustrating me today. Normally trades much better than this. All right, about to get stopped. Anything under 20. Okay, hasn't filled under 20 yet. So probably going to get some slippage here when it does. All right, all out there at 1980. Yeah, so 20 cents of slippage there isn't super fun. All right, I'm going to jump in here. Got it at 122.03 starter here in Futu. I will be looking to add on this one, of course. $124 at least on the ad. If it can get up there. You think it's going to hit 124? Well, I'm certainly prepared for that. 120.5, just in case it comes down there quickly. Otherwise, still looking at 124. Okay, there's through 124. All right, see if I can get in here on the ad. Did not get the ad up there above 125. Give that a second, see what it does. It's going to be frustrating if that ends up being the high. See if we can get under 121. I'm going to take half off here, just reduce my risk some, because I did not get that beautiful ad. And oh, that would have been a perfect ad. I'd be looking good here. And we'll see if the rest can get under 121. Trying to get under 121. All right, gonna take 15 off there at 121, down to 10 shares now. I would love to get that 10 down to like 118.2. Maybe that's asking too much. Maybe 119.2-ish. Oh, the ad would have been perfect. Ah, it pains me. See if we can break back down through 120s here. Otherwise, I'm going to put a stop out just over the high of that last candle. Oh, this would have been such a nice trade. I had the order out there. It was just a little bit too trying to be perfect on it, I think. Because I was ready at 124 and it went all the way to 125, so I should have really been in there. Alright, so stopped out the rest, so that's just going to be a micro win. A frustrating micro win. Alright, so an annoying freaking day today. And pretty much annoying on every single trade that I took. Twice on Tesla call options, it just couldn't give me that bounce I was looking for. Couldn't give me that bounce I was looking for. I ended up taking 2 small wins there, and then it did the rip. And then it looked like it was going to do a bit of a double top here. And right here on this candle, the Qs took a pretty big dip. And I was like, okay, we should be able to get a pretty quick scalp trade in here on the puts. And it didn't want to do it. It powered up to new highs before it finally did a tiny dip, and now it's even higher. So frustrating there in Tesla today because it was close on every single trade to being really, really good, but ended up being crappy, really crappy. And then Futu even more frustrating because oh my gosh, I was sitting there, had the order out for the ad. I didn't get the fill, but that's my fault because really the ad was over 124. It went through that over 125, but I was trying to get too picky and precise on the entry there. So no one to blame but myself, even though I did get an order out there, never got filled. It was 1 cent below the highs of the day, and that fade off would have been real nice, and a good chance that would have gotten us back to at least break even on the day on that Futsu trade had I got that fill and been able to let some of those shares ride after I got the good chunk out. So a frustrating one today, 163. No big deal. July has just been kind of choppy, so slow up and forth, and I'm struggling to not force things. Hopefully, we'll just get through this month, get into next month. Earnings are starting to roll out. Hopefully, things look a little bit better, but an annoying day today. So I'm going to call it there. I'm going to go to bed. Hopefully, you guys enjoyed it. Make sure you check me out on Twitter. All the links down below. I'll see you tomorrow.